Hello everyone, my name is Sue and welcome back to my channel. Well, before I proceed, I would like to ask you guys to please subscribe if you like my channel and content, and if you'd like to see more unboxing, more hauls, shopping, decorating, and different things. That's really what my channel is all about. Well, today in this video, I'm going to show you guys on what it fits in my Louis Vuitton Felicie. This is a limited edition with a dog design. So all dog lovers out there, hi! I have several SLGs that I'm going to show you guys and try putting inside this bag, just for you to have an idea what it fits in here. So this Felicie bag, guys, is my everyday go-to bag. I chose to have this bag because other than it's a structured bag, it's pretty secure because of this button closure. This bag really perfects for me because I don't really carry much. Well, I'm going to show you what I do really carry every day. So let's start it, guys. So right now this is empty. Just so you know, guys, that this bag comes with this 2 extras. That's why I love this Felicie so much. It comes with this card holder with a slot in the middle where you can put cash or bills, and then comes with this zipper pouch or zipper wallet, whatever you called it, with this leather pull tab. You know what, guys, even though I love the 2 inserts that come with this bag, I barely use them, but I'm going to show you guys on what I really bring with me. So I usually have this with me, the 6 key holder. Of course, I have my keys, and I'll just do it like this. So it's not gonna scratch my bag. So my 6 key holder, and then this port card, credit card holder, this key clay. What I have in my key clay is this mini size lipstick. I have this mini size mascara. I have this lip gloss, and then a floss. And then let's put it inside. This is what I usually carry, so it fits perfect in here. My 6 key holder, and then phone. I'll just put the phone here in the back. Here. I can close it, no problem. Here you go. And you still have more room here that you can put whatever, but this is what I usually carry with me. Have my 6 key holder, my credit card holder, key clay, and of course my phone. So I'm going to show you what other fits in this bag. Okay, let's say that I'm going to use the 2 inserts that come with this. Let's see what it fits in. Here's the inserts. It has 8 credit card slots, and I have cash in here, and this pouch. What I have in here is my lipstick, my full-size lipstick, of course my eyeliner, my perfume, and then my hair tie, and then my hair clip. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in here, guys, and here too, and my phone. phone. Voila! It fits perfect, no problem. I forgot to mention that I always bring this with me. My AirPods, my Apple AirPods. So then I'll just hang it here on the side. Yeah, so I'll take this out. How about a full-size wallet? I'll show you guys. I have this Sarah wallet right here. Size comparison. Let's see if this full-size Sarah wallet will fit inside this Felicie bag. Oh, it fits perfect, guys. Full-size wallet, no problem. Yeah, I don't know. Let's try if I put my phone here, if I can still able to close it. Here's the phone. Voila! It fits perfect. But I don't really carry the Sarah wallet with me though. It's just for you to have an idea if it's a full-size wallet will fit in here. How about if you carry your Agenda PM? See if it fits in here too. Here's my Agenda PM. I'll put it in here. Look, there's still more on the side. You can still put stuff in it. So how about this 6 key holder, a phone? Let's see if I can close it. Oh my god, guys, it fits perfect. Look, no problem. You can carry the Agenda PM and your 6 key holder in your Felicie bag with a phone too. Wow, that's nice, don't you think? I'm pretty sure that you guys already know that this bag comes with this gold chain. So let's see how this one looks on me when I carry this. You can carry this as a crossbody. For your reference, guys, I stand 5'6". But I only use this gold chain if I go somewhere, like when there's an occasion. But for my everyday go-to bag, I just used my Speedy 30 My World Tour leather strap. This one right here. Because instead of buying another monogram strap alone, it's kind of expensive, guys. Like almost $600. So I'm a very practical person, you know. So if I can use something else rather than spending another hundreds of dollars just for a strap, never mind, thank you. So I'll just use this my existing leather strap from my Speedy 30 bandolier. I'll show you guys on how it looks on me when I carry it. Here you go, guys. So just so you know, guys, that the bandolier Speedy 30 comes with 3 straps. 1 right here, 1, and then 2, and then 3. So it's pretty adjustable. You can carry it longer or shorter, depends on how you feel. So here, and then this one here. There you go, guys. What do you think, guys, using this black leather strap? It's not that bad, huh? Surely it hits in my hip bone. This is how I wear it normally, guys. Crossbody. If I wanna wear it like a shoulder bag. So let's try and remove the other strap. So right here you go. Gonna connect this one. I'll use this. Here you go, guys. So there you go, guys. Shoulder bag. This strap here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes that you can adjust. If I want to wear it shorter, this is how it looks. It's shorter now. It's close to my armpit. And also, some people like wearing it as a belt bag. So let's try the belt bag using this same strap. There you go. Wearing it as a belt bag, guys. What do you think, guys? Front. How about back? Just for a change. To the side. What do you think, guys? Well, I'm pretty happy, guys, with my Felicie and what fits in it, especially as my go-to bag. And also, I'm happy with my Speedy 30 bandolier black leather strap. I don't have to spend more dollars, hundreds of dollars, just to get an extra monogram strap for my Felicie. So I hope you like this video, guys, and if you do, please give this a thumbs up and comment down below, and please do share. Please subscribe too. Thank you, guys. Please stay safe and healthy. See you again in my next video. Bye, guys.